Hello everyone, I'm Jimmy from Daqing Instrument. We are specialized in temperature sensors, especially thermocouples, for a little over 30 years. Many customers ask me how to choose a thermocouple that are both durable and accurate. It's actually quite simple. First, you choose the right material. Second, you have the right craftsmanship. And at last, you do the testing and calibration. All our products are filmed in our actual workshop with genuine materials and strict calibration. We accept customization for thermocouples, RTDs, and space heaters that are according to your specific needs. If you need a quote of samples or just get to know some parameters, please feel free to contact us anytime.